Hey guys, we're going to pull apart the introduction here. Now, it's quite short and sharp, and you might have picked up that it's using some finger picking. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm actually using a D ninth chord. So from one of the lessons there, you've got suspended and added chords, and one of them's on the D ninth chords. So what I'm using is the suspended chord. Really cool. It's actually just what that sounds like, really cool, crisp. All right, it's not a major or a minor. Leaves you hanging. You don't actually know what's going on yet. All right, so what we're going to do is finger pick that. And even though, I would hold guitar, maybe use my third finger there, I found getting a lot of takes just to get this first little bit, because sitting down for the video, guitar's not held up correctly and it's really hard. So I'm using my little finger just to adapt and get that clearance over there. And you'll see why, because I actually move quite far back. All right, and it's just a little bit stretchy. So, finger picking. All right, just up and back. I'm starting on the D there and playing that chord through. Beautiful, hey? Then what we're really going to do is use it as a bass line up here and keeping that chord. So really just holding the D ninth through most of it, really. So, all right, that's our next note here. All right. And we could break down the chords and everything, just probably a bit much. Suffice to say we're running a bass line. Now we drop that back and it's still very different feel. And then, okay, so I'm actually running a really cool little chromatic run bass line there. All right. Nice, hey? Now I did try a fair few different finger pickings. Just a bit much. I think this song really has something going on for it, and it really works with the dynamics. So keeping the rhythm really straightforward. So there you go. We've got our finger picking and D ninth chords in action. Over to the next one.